Hey Facebook friends, Kaylin McBee here with Healthy Living with Kaylin McBee and McBee Well. Last week, someone suggested talking about the topic of healthy blood sugar levels. And so we're going to quickly go over some of the things that can help you keep your blood sugars in the range that they are supposed to be. So the first thing I'll talk about is the Glycemic Index, and that is a set of numbers. It's actually a scale from 1 to 100 that each food is given, and it's based upon how your body blood sugar level reacts the 2 hours after you eat the food. So for example, things like white bread and crackers and pasta made with white flour are all very high on the glycemic index, which means that when you eat them 2 hours afterwards, your blood sugar is going to spike. That means that your body's going to have to create insulin in order to process that sugar. On the converse side to that, there are low glycemic foods as well. So things like whole wheat bread, green vegetables, things like legumes, chickpeas and lentils, and most fruits are all on the low glycemic scale. So ideally, when you are tracking your blood sugars, you shouldn't have huge peaks and then huge valleys. It doesn't allow your body to work in its most effective way. But what you can do is a couple of things. The first is you can eat smaller meals more often. So instead of having a huge meal where it spikes your blood sugar up and then it peaks, it valleys down, you can keep it more in the middle. So eating smaller meals more often is one option. Next, you can increase your fiber. So fiber helps your body to slow your digestion down, which allows your body to get the sugar in its system a little bit slower and more methodically as opposed to that spike. So that's another option. And then a third option would be to incorporate other healthy snacks. So this is an option that we use at the house, that if I'm craving something chocolatey, this is what I go for. So this is called GC Control, and it has a patent pending ingredient blend of a bunch of different natural ingredients. So things like chromium, cinnamon bark extract, mulberry extract, sweet potato extract. And it's a great way to make sure that your blood sugar levels are staying in control, but also if you're having a little bit of a sweet tooth, it kind of craves that too. It's a great chocolate flavor. So if there's anything else I can help you with, let me know. This is Kaylin McBee with Healthy Living with Kaylin McBee and McBee Well.